my intention here is to go through an example of a project solution for the Family Feud project for number 1, so the winnings diagram. So I'm basically going to go through and grade as if this were my grading sheet. So I'm going to check, is the product aesthetically pleasing? Oops, let me get a normal pen. Is it aesthetically pleasing? Is it organized? Spelling and grammar? And then I'm going to check these 7 values. Okay. The project I'm going to check is this one. Okay, so this is Bob Student. Let's put the name up here, Bob Student. And then when I'm grading these, I start with the values because once I'm done with the values, I'll know whether or not it's aesthetically pleasing, if it's organized or whatever. So what I want to look for is I'm trying to see if the family can win $0, which should be a yes, and they can be on the show from 1 to 5 days. So let's look at that project and see, can they win $0? Okay, day 1, $0. They can win it on day 1. I don't see any directions here. I made this up, by the way. This isn't a real student's. I don't see any directions here, so I guess I have to check and see if it's on day 2. That's a lot of values. Day 2, $0. Okay, sure. How about day 3? Day 3. Goodness, is down here a long way. Day 3, I just saw it. $0. Yes, okay. How about day 4? Still looking for day 4 to see if you can win $0 on day 4. Yep. And then finally I need day 5. Let's see, day 5. Must have just gone past it. Yes, day 5. You can win $0. So I guess this thing tells me yes, you can win $0 from 0 to 5 or 1 to 5 days. Okay. Now I need to look for 1,000. Now I'm a little wary of looking for 1,000 by looking through this whole thing. So I think I'll try using Control F, 1,000, and let's see where it shows up. There are 5 results, but there are only 4 that I care about because that's 100,000 instead. So here's 1,000. Let's see what day that was. That was on day 2. Great. Here's 1,000. That was on day 3. Good. Here's 1,000. That was on day 4. Okay. And here's 1,000. That is on day 5. Okay. So you can win $1,000. Yes, you can win it on days 2 through 5. If you're watching this video, are you getting frustrated? It's not my intention to frustrate you, but think about that when you're trying to make this project. This list is pretty long and it's not organized in a nice way for me to check things out. But let's keep going. I want to find out if we can win $4,980. I've given up on doing anything but Control F, so Control F, $4,980 has no matches. So that must be a no, which is what we want. Let's see, $23,240. I'm going to see if I can find that. $23,000, oops, $240. $240. No, is not in this document. So I'm not going to give that point because that should have been there. $40,003. 40003 is not there, which is correct, so we'll get that point. $40,925. $40,925. K is there in 3 places. Okay, let's see what day this is. That is day... There it was, day 3. This must be day 4, so I'm going to see if it's day 5 under it. Oh, I missed it. Well, regardless, if I could find it in the right places, which again, I would need to if I was grading it. It is actually in days 3, 4, and 5, which is correct. And then let's check 59,900. $59,995. No matches, so they'd get that point. Okay, so of the values, this table had correct the 0 on 1 to 5 days, 1,000 on 2 to 5 days, that you can't win 49,080. It didn't have correct this 23,000 one because it wasn't there. It had correct the you can't win $40,003, that you can win 40,925 on 3 through 5 days, and that you can't win 59,995. Now let's look at the top here. Product is aesthetically pleasing, formatted properly, easy to look at. I do not think so, right? That was kind of rough to look at, and we had to do a lot of scrolling, or worse, print that out and like look through it forever. So I don't think aesthetically pleasing. Okay, information is organized, meaning it is easy to figure out whether a value can be won in the number of days. No, that is definitely not organized, right? It was hard. It took us a long time to figure out what the days were, especially. And then spelling and grammar is acceptable. Yeah, everything there. It's just his name, I think, and the day was spelled correctly. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 out of 10 points for this project, for this problem, for this project. Okay, had some of the values, had most of the values right, and the days, but a little rough to look at. But that's the kind of thing you could submit, although I would try to make it smaller so that one can read it.